Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix important battery message on your iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing this type battery message on your iPhone, that whenever you try to open your battery setting, you see the important battery message or your battery health is significantly upgraded, and Apple authorized service provider can replace the battery to restore performance and capacity. So if you are facing this type issue, so it might be that it will be your battery issue. So now to fix that, the very first step you can do, you have to reset your network, your phone settings. So if there will be any issue or bug with your iPhone, it will be fixed this step. But before, you have to open your settings here, go for general here, go for software updates, and you have to make sure that there is no any software update in your iPhone. Then go back and you have to go for the option of battery here, and you have to check if your issue is fixed or not. If you're still facing the same issue, go back, and from here you have to make a forced restart first to fix some glitches from your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and its volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and its volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And after restarting, you have to unlock your phone, and then you have to go for settings here, go for battery, and you have to check if your issue is fixed or not. If you're still facing the same issue, go back, open general section here, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings, then enter your passcode, or you have to verify yourself using a Face ID. Then continue this step. It will reset all of your phone setting. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. And after resetting your phone setting, so if there will be any issue with your iPhone settings, it will be fixed in this step. And after that, if you're still facing the same issue, so it must be your hardware issue, you must have to replace your iPhone battery with an original iPhone's battery. And after replacing, your issue will be fixed. Or if you don't want to replace or get more help, so you must need to contact with Apple Support team. Now to do that, you can use your Apple Support app here. You can easily install it from your app store, or you can use Apple Support web. So from here, select your iPhone, then select more option here. Now you just have to look for battery here, and here select check now option. It will check your iPhone battery, and it will give you results here. Or after that, you can get further options from here. Tap on get more help. Select call us. Now you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there, so your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.